unlimited here for 279 pesos. Unlimited buffet. Unlimited buffet. We have different foods. School. We have also the Jollibee. Jollibee here. They were on sales today here in the SM. Facial mo, sige nahan ka mo. This mall, guys, is very spacious and huge. Very nice here. And very clean also. There are also different kinds of men's for the men. Here. So here in the Galleria. Jockey, they have jockey. They have jockey here, guys. Also, they have jockey. Robinson's department stores. Executive optical, where you can, if you want some glasses or correctional glasses. There is a bench and pen shop. Pen shop.
Attendance ni mo. Hindi naman yung magbayad yung piningan.
Hindi ako madugay. She give you for free, but then he will explain you a lot of plenty of items, and then until such time that they want you to installment basis, blah blah. So that's accessories. Hi, Mom. Hi. There are also lots of paintings here. Lots of paintings. Paintings. headphones. Power center. There's a lot of stickers, signatures, antique ones of men's shoes and ladies' shoes. Men's shoes and ladies' shoes. Also plenty of comforters. They were on sale today. Bags, wallets. They are selling bags, wallets, traveling bags, suitcases, pots and pans. It's all the sale here. Also different kinds of watch. Starbucks. Always at the Starbucks. Chocolate truffles.
The food court, isn't it?
Didn't have here in the market.
Oh.
There, the place where we pass. You remember when we get inside near to the toilet? American bar grills. That was it. There, darling. Today. Huh? Can do you? Oh, that's why they have this one, oh.
What?
They have this one in the road, yeah, along the road, yeah. So they, oh, they exhibit that one. Huh? Nice, darling. We're having exhibits. Motion. Oh, bugo, bugo. Wah. Bugo. Bugo, bugo. Ah. They have different kinds of booth for exhibits from different town in Cebu, north and south. Ada bangkors lah. Company.
Akala ko kumain.
Ha? I would like to buy the replica foods there. Marketplace.
Where?
We will be going to different kinds of perfumes and drinks. Prestige here.
Good.
Here. Oh. Have different kinds of foods. Oh, chicken. This one 150. Quarter. Oh. Chicken leg quarter. Plenty there.
Yeah, it's all a lot of money.
Alright. Pagpila ni siya, miss? 150? 85 per serving, so 85 per serving. Do you have fried rice, darling? We have fried rice. Do you have fried rice too? Tak na rin. There's also National Bookstore, Value Hardware. Di ano ka? Dali. Yeah, bigger than my uncle. The one they got the Lisa?
That's cheaper.
Oh,
65-inch OLED.
oh, very nice. Huh? This is their sale. Sale.
This one's only 16.
TVs. Lion Center. Same kinds of TVs. TV. TV.
$17.50, 50-inch.